Step into serene modern living at Gateway Lakes in Grove City, a stylish 1 and 2 bedroom apartment community where contemporary design meets laid-back comfort just south of Columbus. Choose from stunning 1-bed, 1-bath and spacious 2-bed, 2-bath floor plans, featuring open concept layouts with modern appliance packages, wood-style plank flooring, upgraded lighting, and full-size washer-dryer connections for comfortable living. Community amenities include a sparkling resort-style swimming pool, renovated clubhouse with complimentary coffee bar, dog park, and gazebo grilling station, the 2 scenic ponds, detached garage parking, free membership to a nearby fitness club, and 24-hour emergency maintenance support. Located at 3799 Gateway Lakes Drive, you're close to Franklin University and Capital University. Commute effortlessly through Parkway Centre Drive and Stringtown Road bus station within accessible limits. For a food fix, stroll to Roosters, pick up a food at Wings and Rings, or sip in your favourite drink at the Jackpot Lounge, all under a 10-minute walk. Ready to enjoy elevated, hassle-free student living? Book your tour and secure your home at Gateway Lakes today at amberstudent.com.